Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Bowers Wilkins PX7 S2E wireless headphones. These headphones have made quite a splash in the market with their updated features and impressive sound quality. Let's see if they live up to the hype. Starting off with the design, the PX7 S2E boasts a sleek and low-profile aesthetic that exudes a sense of luxury. They come in several color options, including anthracite black, cloud gray, ocean blue, and forest green. The construction feels premium with high clamping force for a secure fit, though some might find it a bit tight initially. The headband features wide padding and the memory foam ear cups ensure comfort even during long listening sessions. Moving on to features, the PX7 S2E lacks touch controls but makes up for it with intuitive physical buttons on the right ear cup. These provide tactile feedback and include a quick action button on the left ear cup for easy access to ANC. Transparency mode or voice assistant. While it lacks fully adaptive ANC, the headphones offer effective noise cancellation for immersive listening experiences. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect: sound quality. The PX7 S2E delivers exceptional audio performance thanks to its 40mm biocellulose drivers and 24-bit digital signal processing. The sound signature is balanced with clear mids and highs, and a satisfying bass response. Whether you're into detailed classical music or booming bass and electronic tracks, these headphones deliver. In terms of battery life, you can expect up to 30 hours of playback on a single charge, which is excellent for long trips or daily commutes. The headphones support Bluetooth 5.2 with codecs like SBC, AAC, aptX Adaptive, and aptX HD, ensuring high-quality wireless audio streaming. To wrap it up, the Bowers Wilkins PX7 S2E headphones are a worthy upgrade from their predecessors. Offering refined design, excellent sound quality, and effective noise cancellation. Despite the lack of touch controls and fully adaptive ANC, they cater well to audiophiles and casual listeners alike. If you're looking for a blend of style, comfort, and top-notch audio performance, these headphones certainly deserve your consideration. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.